soldiers successfully defended the country against the Indian attack on the eastern border. The valor, courage, and devotion to duty displayed by our armed forces remains a shining example for all to follow. Ladies and gentlemen, this day is also dedicated to the struggle of our Kashmiri brothers and sisters who have faced unprecedented difficulties since 1947. The recent actions of the Government of India following revocation of their autonomous status and the resulting gross human rights violations have compounded their miseries. We begin this ceremony with the recitation of the Holy Quran and its translation. I invite Mr. Tabish Tariq Masood, student from University of British Columbia, onto the stage.
Thank you so much, Vice Counsel. Assalamu alaikum, Khawateen wa Hazrat. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم